Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghuveer. In this class we will discuss about how to merge K sorted linked list. So the explanation is completely based on the assumption that you already have some basic coding knowledge. If you are not good at basic coding, please visit our website learningmonkey.in, take the course placement training for service based companies, then come for the competitive coding. Coming to today's class, given K sorted linked list, they are going to give you K sorted linked list. Our task is to sort all K linked lists and create one list in sorted order. The time complexity you have to maintain here is nklogk, where n is the list with maximum nodes, the list that contains maximum n nodes. So that is the maximum nodes is the number of nodes in that maximum nodes is n k log k, and the space complexity is order of k. So coming to the logic part, let's try to understand with an example. L1, L2, L3, L4 are the lists. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have to create a list of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the input, the list, linked list starting address L1, L2, L3, L4 are provided in an array to your function. You need to create the starting addresses are provided here. So now coming to the logic part, here we are going to use min heap data structure. And we already discussed one example in our last class, kth largest element in a stream. There we used the min heap data structure, and the heapq class that is available in Python. We used this heapq class in our last example. Please watch that class and come back here. So coming to the logic part, so the first what's the logic here is, first take the first list, second list, third list, fourth list. Take the first elements. 1, create a heap. 4, create a heap. 5, create a heap. 7, create a heap. Heap of size k. That's why space complexity is provided as k. Now the logic goes like this. We created a heap with the starting elements. In this, whenever you created a heap, it is min heap. The topmost element is minimum element. So take out that element, create a node. So the complexity here is, the logic is very easy. Take out that. So 1, what's the next node? 2. Place it here and push onto the heap. Whenever you push onto the heap, it is going to create a new heap with topmost element is minimum 2. Take out from where you have taken out 2. What's the next element? 3. Again create a new heap. Means heap push off. We discussed this function last class. Heap push off, we used this function. Means it is going to create a heap, new heap with the element 3. So the logic is very easy, but coming to the implementation part, the complexity here is 1. From which list this 1 is from? We need to maintain the next address also. Not only element. In the heap we have to maintain the element and address also. How we are going to maintain that? What flexibility that is provided in our Python? These things we are going to discuss here. Because constructing the next elements is very easy. Take the minimum element from the heap. So from which list this heap is, this minimum element is, take the next element and create a new heap. Again take the minimum element, create a new heap, until this heap data structure contains 0 elements. Repeat this until heap is empty. Then you are going to create a heap of a list of elements that ascending order. So now coming to the coding part. In our last class we discussed that we are going to use a heapq class which is going to be used to create a min heap. So we are going to create a min heap using this heapq class. And this heapq class consists of a heap push function. So this push function works like this. This push function is going to take a list. Here q is considered as a list and element. heap push function going to take list and element. But this heap push function is going to provide two options. You can provide element here or a tuple here. Why tuple? Tuple consists of both element and the address. That's why our heap data structure is going to maintain both element and address. This flexibility provided in our Python. We can use this because in the real time situations, most of the times we need this flexibility. That's why they have provided that flexibility in our implementation of a class heapq. And one more thing you have to maintain here, this list. What is this heap push function is going to do? Take the list means it contains heap, min heap, and push the element. Here element is provided in a tuple. In the tuple, the first one should be element and next one you can maintain anything. We are going to maintain the address of the next node. Not only that, we have maintained one extra variable, ID of current. Why we have maintained this? You need to understand. Whenever heap push function executing the heap adjust function, heap adjusting means it is going to create a heap with this element. If duplicate elements found, means the element which is present here, if any duplicate found, it is going to take the next value. Which element we have to consider first? In order to do that, it is going to take the next one. So that's why we have given a sequence number for the next time to consider the sequence in an order. So check the documentation. You are going to understand. So why we have taken this point you have to focus. If you focus it in the next coming examples, if it is needed, you can easily use this heapq data structure and you can write the coding. So we have given you a hint here how, if tuple is given, how it is going to work in the heap push function. So check the documentation and understand it. Documentation is available, Python documentation. You just type the heap push function in Python, you are going to get the documentation from the official Python website. Hope you understand this example. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. So we are going to provide you the code, but our suggestion is try to solve it on your own, then check for the solution. The coding is available in our website learningmonkey.in. You can copy it and you can use it. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.